Hey guys, Brendan here at Slingmods.com, and today we have the parking brake spring cover for the Polaris Slingshot. Now, do you guys feel that the emergency brake spring at the rear of the Slingshot could use a bit of a makeover? Well, don't worry, because you're not alone. We partnered up with Bullet Speed and Design to bring you guys these. These parking brake spring covers are made from billet aluminum and are manufactured right here in the USA. Now this will actually slip on right over your factory parking brake spring, and it will vastly clean up the area visually. Now the installation is pretty straightforward and it will utilize the factory hardware, but before you begin, make sure the Slingshot is on level ground and that you chalk your wheels, since you will need to release the parking brake before installation. Now start by removing this factory nut in the center of the spring. Slide on your new parking brake spring cover. Reinstall that same nut. And then make sure it's nice and straight before tightening it back down to your factory torque spec. Alright guys, so if you're looking to go from this to this, then you gotta head on over to slingmods.com today by clicking the link in the description below so you can grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.